St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
STM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings news from various colleges around Mangalore. This is Raksha, your host for this evening. Let's take a quick look at this week's headlines.
Synergy and Sigma sets forth new vision on youth and computer technology. National Road Safety Program creates an awareness to public. Aloysius Fest dazzles the multi-talent students of various colleges.
STM College backs a huge crowd for the fest organized by them. Campus Eye captures its essence.
STM College of Business Management organized 2 days national level seminar on the theme Youth Infinity. The function was inaugurated by Captain John Prasad Meneses, Independent Director of MRPL Mangalore. He said, temperance, prudence, fortitude and justice are the 4 important qualities in life.
Concept of Synergy 2014, not for the next 2-3 days alone, but for the rest of your life, through action.
The chief guest of the occasion was Ms. Reena Ram, Associate Director of Marketing Ion India, Bangalore. As an alumna of SDM College of Business Management, she shared her experience by saying, this program can help in molding the personality of students.
I encourage each one of you to capitalize on such events for the simple reason that, trust me, it shapes your life.
Synergy 2014. The Management Fest gives an opportunity for the students who are interested in business field to sharpen their talents. Shalini Pai, student coordinator of the event, spoke to Campus Eye.
Well, this fest is usually to get exposure to the students, to give more exposure to the students with respect to the corporate world. And as you all see, it's a 2-day fest wherein there are more than 18 events, including Sigma and Synergy. Hope everyone has fun.
Sigma 2014 event was based on computer technology, organized by BCA and BSc Computer Science students, were also the part of 2 days national level seminar. Inaugural function captured the minds of audience with the dance performance, which reflected the cultural diversity of India. At the end of the dance, they launched the overall championship trophy before the audience.
The Department of Social Work, St. Aloysius College, participated in the 25th National Road Safety Week. We bring you more details.
ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಹನ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮೊದಲು ಎಂಬ ಧ್ಯೇಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಡಳಿತ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ 25ನೇ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷತಾ ಸಪ್ತಾಹ 2014 ಇದೇ ಕಳೆದ ಜನವರಿ 21ರಿಂದ 27ರವರೆಗೆ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಗರದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರೋನ್ಮುಖವಾಗಿದೆ, ವಿರಾಮವಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಗರದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷತಾ ಸಪ್ತಾಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
ಯೂತ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗೋದು ಬದಲು ನಾವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೀರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಓ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೀರೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೇವೆ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಸಹ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ JR ಲೋಬೋ, ಶಾಸಕರು, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ವಲಯ ಇವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಗರದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಗರದ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಶಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ MSW ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದರು. ಮಿಸ್ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು. ಇವರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಿಕೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಸಮಾಧಾನವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
9 street play shows in the cities of Mangalore as well as Udupi. And the theme of the play was, when on the road, always say pehle aap. And wherever our students put up the show, a large number of audience had gathered, which included the drivers, the general public and also the students.
ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಕಾಮತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಳಕಳಿಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
ಮೇನ್ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದಂದರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಥ್ರೂಟ್ ದ ಇಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಒಂದು 7 ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಓವರ್ ಎಂಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
One of the biggest fests in Mangalore, the Aloysian Fest, was celebrated at St. Aloysius College with a blast. Let's take a look.
You must have a vision in your mind, and one should work hard for the vision. With the inspiring words of a versatile manager, Mr. N.K. Balakrishnan, that set momentum of St. Aloysius Intercollegiate Fest 2014 and added essence to the multi-dimensional events of Artbit, Imprints, Aloysian, Astitwa, Spin Out and Acme. 52 teams across India flocked to the event organized by the different undergraduate departments of St. Aloysius College. Reverend Father Francis D. Almeida, S.J., Vice Principal, welcomed the gathering. Mr. N.K. Balakrishnan, Chief Guest, General Manager, Central Bank of India, hailing from Hyderabad, inaugurated the event. Reverend Father Denzil Lobo, S.J., Rector, Reverend Father Sweber De Silva, S.J., Principal, were the dignitaries on the occasion. Spin Out, the program conducted by the Department of Business Management, attracted the students from various colleges to explore their talents. Events for Best Manager, Finance, Marketing, Human Resource, and Crisis Management were conducted.
This is the first time I've ever come to this college, to a management fest, St. Aloysius Management Fest. I'd heard a lot about it from my seniors, from my final years. So I guess that it has lived up to their expectations. It has lived up to C. Balkite's expectations. Thank you very much for having us here. It was fun, learned a lot, still loads more to come.
Something that's innovative, and HR doesn't have. It's not been there yet. So basically the point is like HR is C, HR is low, HR is down, HR is not leading at the moment. So now these concepts are basically meant for bringing out new changes of human resource.
Artbits told the heartbeats of the participants.
സാധനങ്ങളല്ല വീട്
Events organized by the Department of Arts comprise with a variety of programs like Wealth Out of Waste, Psychology Case Analysis, Quiz, Print, and audiovisual ads, etc. The richness of the Indian culture was richly portrayed in Astitwa, as the name stands for. It clearly demonstrated the existence of various cultures. Astitwa captivated the minds of the audience and took them to the heavens of joy. Imprints was organized by the Science Department, which provided platform for various colleges to explore their innovations for the future progress of the nation. Audience curiosity arose as the participants explained their models. The student president, Mr. Ponana, spoke to Campusai.
It is mostly a blend of innovative ideas of different students from the science faculty. But these students have given us an idea so that we can think deeply inside what's going on in the nature and how can we transfer energy, how can we use energy from one source to another source.
Business is not a world of competition, but a chance to display the intelligence combined with smartness and confidence. ACME, the Commerce Fest, threw an insight into the realm of real business world.
It's my second year in ACME and for sure it has been good. And this year I hope all events go out good.
Team governance also.
Yeah.
The grounds of St. Aloysius College were on fire as the players from different colleges participated in Aloysius. Basketball, softball, volleyball, and throwball were the games conducted by the sports department of St. Aloysius College. The contestants from different colleges shared their exciting experience with Campusai.
Hi, I'm Suhail and I'm from Oxford College, Hubli. My persuasion about this fest was really nice. I had a lot of content in it. The quality of the fest was amazing. I learned a lot of things. Qualitative aspect were nice. The learning what we get here is masters. We get masters of learning here.
ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಮಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೀ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 2ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
That's all for this week's Campus Eye. We'll be back with more news next week, same time. Till then, take care. Bye.
St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
SDM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್